everybody. I have Columbia Candle Supply. So let's dig inside and see what's in there. So let's take a closer look at what's in here. Beautiful, beautiful as usual. The first one that we have is Black Pearl. Oh, that smells so good. I had no clue what this was going to smell like. I've never smelled Black Pearl before, but I just thought it would be pretty. And guess what? It is. All right. And then the second one is Sultana, which I love the scent of. And as usual, the shape is gorgeous. Very pretty. Oh, yes. So I ordered this. I didn't order this. This is a sample. So I think it's a sample. Because I don't remember ordering a saltwater taffy. But anyway, I ordered something else, hoping I got this shape. But I got this shape anyway, regardless if I got this shape or not in the one that I actually ordered. I don't think that I ordered this. I'm not a saltwater taffy girl. So she may have sent this as a sample. And I'm super happy that she did, if that's the case, because it's a super cute shape. Next, oh my gosh, how pretty is this? This is warm vanilla sugar, because who doesn't love warm vanilla sugar? And I just smelled it through the package and it is amazing, as usual with warm vanilla sugar. Look at this thing. Beautiful. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to chop this joint. This is Breath of God, another one that I had never smelled before. Oh, but it smells really super nice. I have to take another whiff. That thing smells awesome, and it's really, really a unique and beautiful shape. And the way she glittered it up is also very beautiful. Be Enchanted. Can't smell that one for some reason. Packaged very well. Very pretty. Marshmallow bubblegum, because who doesn't love bubblegum? Oh, I could smell it. And marshmallow together. I mean, come on. So cute. Next we have Fruit Loops, because Fruit Loops is recently one of my faves. Like, I just like when my house smells like Fruit Loops. Cute. Look at the little butterflies on there. Next we have Rose Jam, because I am a Rose Jam chick, and so I always have to order Rose Jam. And look at the shapes. Very beautiful. I don't even have to smell that to know that I love the scent of it, because it's another Fruit Loop, sorry. I love the scent of it because I've already had her Rose Jam before. This is another Fruit Loops in that pretty unique shape that we saw with that other one a few minutes ago. Breath of God. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have Black Amethyst. Luna Type. Oh, it smells good. And then looks like there's a second, For the Love of Pete. Did I order all this? Are these all like samples? I don't know what the heck's going on. This is definitely a sample, because I don't remember ordering this cinnamon chai. So glittery. I did order this one, strawberry guava. I love guava. And I was interested to see what this actually ended up smelling like with the guava and the strawberry and the marshmallow fluff. It smells like I just want to eat this instead of melt it, actually. Oh my gosh. We have Twilight. Did I order this one? Fizzy Pop and Pizzelle. Do I have an invoice? She's always so generous with her samples that I don't even know the things that I ordered and things that I didn't. And again, in this beautiful new shape that I had not seen before. And Sex Bomb, which I did order. So again, we had the Sex Bomb. We have the Fizzy Pop and Pizzelle. We have the Twilight. I was running low on her stuff. I needed to get another order. Breath of God, I hadn't ordered since Christmas. Rose jam. This beautiful, beautiful Breath of God. Warm vanilla sugar. Luna. It's back here together. Black amethyst. Sultana. Beautiful. Chop chop. This marshmallow bubblegum. The Be Enchanted. All these little square shapes in the back here. The Black Pearl. This amazing thing. Strawberry guava marshmallow fluff. Fruit Loops. Another Fruit Loops. Cinnamon chai ice cream. And finally, this cute shape saltwater taffy. Alright guys, that's it for Columbia Candle Supply Company. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm very happy with everything, and I know the throw is going to be amazing. This is like not the first or the second or the third time I've ordered from them, so I'm well aware of the power of Columbia Candle Supply. Alright guys, that's it, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.